YouTube. This is Tony.
And Evan.
And we are here today to tell you about one of our favorite shows ever,
Hell's Kitchen! Awesome show.
Yeah.
So, in case you don't know what it is, what? It's a reality show about 16 to 18 chefs who come into a restaurant called Hell's Kitchen and they compete for a head chef job. So, it's men and women, and there's one person at the end who opens a door and owns the restaurant. And who is the host? His name is Gordon Ramsay.
I gotta be me.
Awesome guy.
Yeah.
So he's, who is Gordon Ramsay?
Well, he's one of the best chefs in the whole world. In fact, he's a Michelin-starred chef. He's got so many restaurants all over the country and all over the world too.
Yeah, and he's British, and he does a lot of reality shows.
Yep.
He hosts 24 Hours to Hell and Back, Hell's Kitchen. He hosts Kitchen Nightmares. He hosts a lot of shows. MasterChef Junior and MasterChef itself. Yeah. So, and what is the funniest, or should I say, most serious part of Gordon Ramsay?
Well, his passion, his no-nonsense attitude.
No nonsense at all. Whenever chefs make a mistake, he yells at them, curses at them, throws food at them, tells them to do it better, and if they go too far, he can eliminate them during service or just kick them out.
Right.
Sometimes even the whole team. Lots of F-bombs in that show. But actually, he's serious when he does it, and he's funny too.
Yep.
He's really funny.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are our favorite parts of Hell's Kitchen?
Well, we love the challenges, the dinner services.
How those go is every day they wake up, they do a challenge, one team wins and goes on a reward, the other team does a punishment, and then it's dinner service. One or both teams lose the service, rarely happens for both teams, and one person is eliminated and goes home.
Right.
But obviously the lucky person at the end never gets eliminated and opens that door. There have been many winners of Hell's Kitchen, 18 to be exact, and here they are.
We are the champions, my friends, and we'll keep on fighting till the end. We are the champions, we are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world. I've taken my bows and my curtain calls. You brought me fame and fortune and everything that goes with it. I thank you all, but it's been no bed of roses. No.
Now we showed you 17 right there because we have our favorite, who is probably the most famous Hell's Kitchen winner by far. Her name is Christina. Here's a picture of her right here. She is awesome.
Yes, she is.
What's awesome about her?
Well, her passion, the way she handles this stuff.
She won season 10 in 2012. She won Gordon Ramsay's steak head chef position at Paris in Las Vegas. And she doesn't work there anymore, but she still works for him to this day.
Yep.
She operates all his restaurants in Las Vegas, and she sometimes appears on his other shows like 24 Hours to Hell and Back, and she is the recent sous chef for the red team in Hell's Kitchen. Awesome.
Yeah.
And what's some of the saddest parts of Hell's Kitchen?
One of the things that I don't like is when we have to say goodbye to a particular chef that we like, especially Clemenza.
He was a contestant in season 10, and he was a good, funny man. He
Yeah.
got eliminated near the end of of season 10, and we missed him.
Yeah.
We wish he won.
Yeah, same here.
But that was Christina's season, and we are so proud of her.
Yep.
Christina, if you're watching, we love you, and you're awesome.
Yes, you are.
And so, fans of the show, season 19 and 20 have just wrapped filming, and I believe it will premiere next year, hopefully later this year.
Yeah.
I don't want to wait too long.
No.
But the good news is, either way, guess where we are next season? We are out of Los Angeles and into Las Vegas.
Yeah.
I am so excited.
Yeah.
Are you?
I'm super stoked.
This is new. I'm guessing Gordon decided to do Las Vegas because they all love Vegas.
That's right.
You haven't been to Vegas, have you?
No, but I would really love to go someday.
I think we'll go one day. We plan to travel. That just might be one of the places we'll go. And Gordon, we will stop by Hell's Kitchen.
Yes.
That'll be awesome.
It'd be great.
And last but simply not least, we're just going to talk a little bit about our next entertainment video.
Yeah.
So we're going to discuss later today what it's going to be about, but it is, as you know, extreme comedy.
Yeah.
So, without spoilers, what should we do for this video?
Something that's supposed to be even funnier than The Ghost of Tiffany.
That was a funny one. Brad, we hope you're watching. Well, yeah, we're going to make it beyond Tiffany. We're going to hopefully make it one of the funniest videos on YouTube.
Yes.
By far.
Yes.
I already began brainstorming actually last night when I was going to sleep.
Cool.
So, we can't wait to see you in that video.
Yeah.
That is our next big entertainment video, September 4th. We will see you then. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I know